Hi guys, my name is Michael Spade of Spade Apps, and today we're going to be giving you the walkthrough of APA Cited. So when the app first loads up, it starts you right on our Citations tab out of the four main tabs that we have. So we'll start with this one, seeing as it's the main functionality of our app. You notice right now it's an empty list since we haven't created any sites yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to create one. We're just going to hit the Add button at the top right corner. And then you notice that you have your list of different templates you can choose from to create your site. I have it organized by what type of site it is. So you have print, web, and then other. I'm just going to do the one up top, the book citation. And then you see here all the fields you'll need to enter to create the citation. And then up top, you can put the title of your research paper. I put this in there so you can better organize if you're doing more than one paper at once. I'm going to fill this in with some generic information just so y'all can see what it looks like. Let's put research paper. You can't type. Let's do last name. Forgot some info there. And then this is some of the generic information. Also, if you need to add more than one author, which you'll typically have to do with APA citations, I put the format right here on the bottom, so you should know what it looks like. All right. Once you're finished entering in all the info, just hit the Create button up top. And it'll take you back to your selected template view here. That way you can, if you need to do more than one site, you're able to do that. Otherwise, just hit Done. Now you notice that the empty list was filled. You see the title of the research paper up top, and then the preview of the site here. So we're just going to give it a look, be sure everything was spelled properly, and then we can either send it out or we can actually put it in with our notebook at the bottom and send out more than one site at a time. I'm good. It looks like everything's spelled properly here, so I can either save it, send it out, print it, although typically you won't print more than one site, but that's functionality there if you need it. And then you can just close out of it. Alright, so we're going to go to Notebook. I created a document earlier here just to check to be sure everything was working properly, but we're going to go right up top to an Add button just so you can see it from beginning to end. Do New Doc. And then hit the Create button. And then it'll organize it by the date that it was created. We're going to select it here, and then it's just empty, just as it has New Note. I'm going to delete that here, go back to Citations, and I'm going to select my site. And then we'll copy. And then you can paste it right into your notebook, so if you need to do more than one at a time, it's just easier to email them to yourself or send them out when you're going to be formatting your Works Cited page. Alright, so I'm just going to hit Done, and then we'll save. Alright, that's the notebook, and then we'll have our reference section here. It just shows all the info you'll need, formatting your APA paper, creating your reference list, and then also I put in the citation formats, the manual version of them, so you can see what they're supposed to look like. Alright, but that's all there. We're just going to hit back. And then I'll just show you what the first paper format. You know, set the font size, line spacing, margins, that kind of thing. That's all there. You can kind of roll through that just like a checklist, being sure your app is your paper is formatted properly. Also, I put in a search feature for you. Especially on the iPhone, I noticed it was you had some difficulty bouncing back and forth between Safari and other apps like that. So I put that in there so when you're doing actual research on your phone or on your tablet, it's just all built in. You have Google right here. It was just the main search engine I selected earlier. I'm just going to hit Add Web Page, and it'll show up right here under it so I can quickly go back and reference the last page I was on. Alright, but that's it. That's APA Cited. If you all have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them there at the bottom. Also, if you want us to add any templates or formats, just let us know. I should be able to add them within the week. All right. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day.